Whether it's natural for men to be with one woman is a complex question with no easy answer. There are many factors to consider, including biology, evolution, culture, and personal preference. From a biological standpoint, it's important to note that humans are sexually dimorphic, meaning that there are physical and behavioral differences between males and females. One of these differences is that men produce far more sperm than they need to fertilize an egg. This suggests that men are biologically wired to be with multiple women. However, it's also important to note that humans are not simply biological organisms. We are also social creatures who are shaped by our culture and environment. In many cultures, monogamy is the norm. This is likely due to a number of factors including religion, economics, and social pressure. Ultimately, whether or not it's natural for men to be with one woman is a matter of personal preference. Some men may feel more comfortable and fulfilled in a monogamous relationship, while others may prefer a polygamous relationship. There is no right or wrong answer, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's also important to note that monogamy and polygamy are not mutually exclusive. It's possible to be monogamous in some areas of your life and polygamous in others. For example, you may choose to be monogamous in your romantic relationships but polyamorous in your sexual relationships. At the end of the day, the most important thing is to find a relationship style that works for you and your partners. There is no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to love and relationships.